Hello guys, welcome back to extended video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to set fake location on Snapchat. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your Play Store and App Store, and from here you search for this Snapchat. Tap on Snapchat, and from here you make sure that update your Snapchat account. Tap on update, and after that wait a few minutes. After update your Snapchat account, tap on open. After that, get a one snap and scroll right side and tap on location filter. You guys can see my location and tap on location, and from here you search for this USA and anyone USA. Tap on this. From here you guys can see set USA location. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.